Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. I thought I'd answer this question with Edith because Edith says everything 3 times, so it gives us an extra chance to get the words out there. So we've been asked how to say the letter W and B. I'm not a professional, as you know, so I can only tell you how I managed to do it and how Edith manages to do it. So B, you're tending to say the letter D, and if you say it quickly, it works. So let's think of the word back, back, back. Now, like that, it does sound more like Dak. But if you put it in a sentence, I am coming back tomorrow. I am coming back tomorrow. So everybody knows what the sentence should be. So they automatically hear it more as a B, unless, of course, you're listening out for it. Balls, 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 balls. Yeah. So again, I am chasing my ball because it ran away. I'm chasing my ball because it ran away. So you can sort of, it sounds a bit like bull as well as ball, but that's one. Now, W. William, 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 weasel, weasel, weasel. I'm trying to think how you'd normally say it. Weasel, weasel. So I'm putting my tongue my bottom row of teeth, as well as sort of putting it so the tip of my tongue's going on the back of my teeth at the bottom, and the middle part of my tongue is sort of resting on my top teeth at the back. So weasel. So weasel, weasel, weasel. It is a lot of practice. As I said, if you're new to it, always start with the word hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. And try doing different tones in your voice, because that will help you as well. You'll find the tone level that's best for you, and a bit sing-songy also helps. So we'll say bye-bye now. Bye-bye. See? Da-die, not bye-bye. Goodbye. Goodbye sounds better. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye.